welcome to my channel, SteveO the Window Cleaner. Today we're just having a fun giveaway. Nothing too crazy, nothing too important, but I am giving away 2 of these Sorbo Viper Special Editions. So I want you to check this out, how cool this channel is and how cool it looks. And it has the angled ends there, right? It has the angled ends there. But this is a special edition. I don't know. I think this may be Sorbo Special Edition for 2021. And I think he's going to be doing the Viper in this, but I'm not quite sure. I know these were given out at the IWCA convention. So pretty cool. But I've got 2 of them to give away. The 2 I'm going to be giving away are these 2 right here. So if you want to enter, just go to the link below in the description. As you guys know, I always do my competitions through Gleam. So you just go there, you enter, you follow the directions. It's really easy, and then it just picks a random winner. And I don't really pick the winner. This is US only. I'm sorry, guys. For me to ship out of the US is just crazy expensive. Maybe someday when I'm bringing in millions and millions of dollars, I'll be able to do that. But for now, we're gonna have to keep it to the US. So anyways, really cool channel. It comes with the black swivel handle, all brand new, nothing used. I used this one for my videos or for the clips earlier today. But really cool channel. The angled ends gives you a little bit less detailing as well. But if you like Sorbo, then you'll like this. But this is also kind of like a trophy squeegee. Like, that's the really cool thing about it. Like, I don't even know how much longer I'm going to use that one for. So we'll see. But yeah, really cool giveaway. I think it's a special edition giveaway. I don't think I've ever gotten a giveaway something that's like a special edition. Oh, the Unger Black series. I did do that one, so that one was cool. But this is really cool. As you know, like, for a long time, these were not available, I think, other than going to the IWCA. Don't quote me on that, but I think that's what it was. But really cool giveaway. So check out the competition below. I will link this video as many places as I can to give you all as many chances as possible. But as always, thanks for watching. Next video, I am actually going to be talking about bidding in person or bidding over the phone, or the different ways of bidding and the pros and the cons. So look forward to that video. That should be out here pretty soon. And then we'll just keep going and chugging along. So as always, call me for sales if you need to, 970-599-1437. I finally got that memorized. It's pretty sweet. And email me at steveo@windowcleanresource.com. I'm usually always on chat on the website on the weekends, so find me there. I am going to be very busy coming up here with my business during the week, except for the night time, so you can hit me up then. Other than that, hope you all have a good spring. We'll talk soon. Bye.